G'day, I'm Robert Irwin and I've been shortlisted in the Wildlife Photographer of the Year People's Choice Awards. My image depicts a bushfire, and this shot was taken while on a trip up to the Steve Irwin Wildlife Reserve. I actually launched my drone and sent it over to the fire to get aerial shots. I only had a few minutes of battery left to spare when I finally got over there, so I took the drone right in the middle of it, right in the thick of the smoke to capture this shot. And I'm really happy with how it turned out. I definitely hope that the audience can find inspiration from this shot and really be inspired to make a difference on the planet. I think that we've seen with the fires, not only here in Australia, but also in the Amazon, in the United States, all over the world, we're really starting to see that we're reaching a tipping point, and it is up to us humans to make the difference and make a change for our environment.